with the partnership that we have with More Than Sex Ed, we've been able to not only schedule our 6th through 8th grade or 5th through 8th grade now comprehensive sex ed program, but they have come in and done parent workshops for us. We were really skeptical and worried that our parents would be really, they're still uncomfortable with some of the things that our students are talking about. And you came in and just really worked with our parents. They were so amazed by the staff. I find that they now are not really coming to the workshops about the program for the year because they feel so comfortable. They're coming to the workshops that are more about, how do I talk to my kid about sex, or how do I talk to my child about the changes that they're facing next year, or how do I talk to my child about what's happening on the internet and how to support them. And so all of those questions have really been answered by the staff of More Than Sex Ed, and have really provided a support for our parents, which I know they really appreciate.